What is up, guys? My name is Dead Diamond Chief, and welcome back to another episode of Batman Arkham City. So where we left off, we saved Catwoman, and Joker tried to snipe her straight in the brain. So yeah, let's catch him, shall we? And if you enjoyed the series, comment down below if you want to continue with them, and hit the like button. And if you enjoy my content and you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell right next by it, and that will help me a lot.
I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front door, sir?
Why didn't I think of that?
Let me tell you what happened. I was playing, and my video was, I deleted the video because it ran out, and it didn't record and deleted. So basically what I did is track down the sniper. Joker wasn't there. It was remote controlled. And Batman got the frequency, and I did the augmented reality trainings to get the grapple boost, and I did something and met Bane to get the Titan containers from that Dr. Young shipped and Joker got here in Arkham City, and now Bane and I are going to destroy 12 of them, but we get 6 each, so let's continue on.
Obviously too easy. Let's see. If all the other access routes are locked down, the only way in would be... No, it's suicide.
The main chimney. Okay then.
Let's do this! Ooh, who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited? Okay, take it. Okay, what was that? I heard a door. Yeah, Titanfall style. Dang it. You guys didn't see anything, right? Oh. You guys didn't see. Shit.
From the furnace will boil me alive. I need to...
Yay, water! Cool off. Really? Oh. Whee! In style. Did a front flip. Okay, okay. My ass is on fire. Get some water! Unless all the water was evaporated by now. Okay, let's do this. I'm having a good time! I'm having a good time! Okay. If you guys are if you guys haven't seen the previous video, maybe you can check that out. I honestly don't know. I don't know how to link it down in the description because I'm on a freaking Samsung tablet. So yeah, it's gonna kind of hard. Yeah, so if you don't know the previous video, you can go on my channel, and that's fire, and look at the new video, like the last video, and sorry, lady, I'm trying, I played this a little, I played this like a while ago, so that is why I know some things about this. Like, for example, I know how this is gonna end. If you guys don't know the ending, I will not spoil it for you. But if you guys know the ending, then yeah, that's what happens in... Okay. Let's do this. And Titanfall style. What?
Harley talking about?
Sounds like she's declared war on Freeze.
War! Okay, let's have war. Against me. War time.
You need a bandage?
Come at me, come at me.
If he gets up,
Okay, that's it. Nah!
you boys down.
Nah.
Permanently.
And I got hit. Gosh dang it! Bam! Oh, bam! Oh, bam! Oh, bam! Punching spree. Bam! Oh. I'm button mashing. I don't know why. I'm panicking. I pressed triangle. What the fuck was that? Holy crap, knocked 4 guys out. Holy crap. So, there she is.
What the hell are you doing here? You're supposed to be dead.
I never die.
There's no way you're getting to Mr. J. We're safe and sound up here. You can just stay down there and burn.
I'll figure a way out. And first of all, I'm here because I'm trying to stop the Joker. Second of all, I'm not supposed to be dead. I'm the Batman. I never fucking die.
Of course I will. Some of his goons dragged the doctor away. I'm going to find her first.
And third of all, I'm a badass. That's why. Okay, let's go. Oh. You guys hear that?
They've got that doorway covered. I need to find a different way to get past Joker's men.
Well, you should be scared.
My arm 6 months ago.
I broke. Oh yeah, I broke your arm.
Easier said than done.
Good times. Breaking arms and smashing faces. Good times.
Are you in?
I was behind you this whole time. Fear me. I am going to literally kill my throat if I keep on doing that. Not literally, but you guys know what I mean, right? Okay, what's up here? Secrets? No secrets? Ooh, vent. Vent equals secrets. Well, this wasn't much of a secret, now was it? Shoot. I can't go through there because it's sealed shut. But still. Let's get this guy. I have to be a sneaky beaver.
Did you hear the noise that last time?
I am not a beaver, by the way. I'm the Batman. I was behind you this whole time. Because I'm a sneaky little beaver. You see me, or you should run in fear. Because I am a sneaky
You
beaver.
boys will be the ones to stop Batman once and for all. Obviously, you'll be needing my help to do it.
I usually don't care about that woman, but Joker being sick must really be getting to her.
You think? She's dead crazy for her. For, him. God damn it. I was about to say, I don't know. Let's go over here. Ah, pray. Come here. Hello. Goodbye.
Someone get over there!
He's here. Don't let him get in. You take the door.
Get over here! There's someone up there!
Shut it, Doc.
any more of your yapping and I'll blow your face off. Understand?
Keep him over here. Sure of it.
Sounds like someone's come to save you.
Yeah, me.
Please, help me!
Where the hell are you?
Above here. I'm right here. Ah, hi, buddy. Bye.
Got quiet out there. Stay here. I'll go check it out.
He's making you look
This is so much fun.
I should be the one making you look stupid.
Harley, that is my job.
All wear nice little dresses.
Harley, that is my job. Humiliating things is my... Well, Joker's job, I should say. Stop tormenting her.
I can do this all night, bitch.
Don't miss my opportunity, don't... I was above you this whole time. Hi, buddy. Bye, buddy. Okay, okay. Take down. Hi, and bye. Bam!
Please get me out of this thing.
What do you think I'm here for?
Give me a second. What's wrong with these people? That crazy woman thinks I can fix the Joker.
What's wrong with him?
There's something in his blood. Some kind of toxin. It's killing him. He blames something called Titan.
Titan?
Yeah. Do you know what he's talking about? He kept going on about his last laugh.
Doc. Isn't that information supposed to be
What's
confidential?
happening? How does she know what we're saying?
Demon!
Get that door sealed up nice and tight, boys. We don't want that fireman escaping, do we?
At least they won't be getting
Ah,
us.
fuck.
We're safe, right?
Wait here, Doctor.
What the hell are you doing?
I need to get out of here. Someone needs to stop Joker. Stay here. You'll be safe.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
If you hear anyone coming, hide. I'll be back.
I'll be back. Remote electrical charge. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, level up. Okay. Like, I think I'm gonna get the shockwave attack. If you don't know what the shockwave attack does, basically when you glide and do dive bomb, you will basically, it'll like for a short amount of time, you will have this thing that says shockwave. And basically what that will do is let you do the shockwave attack. We will send out it like a sonic boom thing. I don't know.
It's not a plan. It's a suicide note.
I'm not scared of him. The door's welded shut, and he's just some freak in a costume.
I'm not some freak in a costume.
Then you stand in front.
Why, you chicken?
What are we talking about?
Hell up and get ready.
What are we talking about? Boom! Kick to the straight to the chest. Oh, for a second I thought it was the dead guy hanging. I was like,
Protocol 10
how the
commence in 9
fuck?
hours.
Thank you, GLaDOS. And by the way, I like saying that. It's a reference to a Jacksepticeye. Ooh, okay. It's a reference to Jacksepticeye playing Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location. I just like saying that. I don't know why. I just like saying it. No one here. Good. Really? There you go. Give me my hook. Thank you.
What's wrong with you, G-Man?
I'm trying to stop the Joker here.
Start smashing into
Ow.
pieces. Don't you know he's sick?
Yeah, I know by now. The doctor told me.
B-Man, meet Mr. Hammer. He's gonna teach you some manners.
Nice name. It fits, but Russian?
I hope my voice hurts you real
No, I'm gonna
bad.
take out the thugs first. Because they're much more of a pain. Oh.
This'll be easy, bad freak.
We're gonna hurt you, freak. Your mother won't recognize you.
My mother's dead. Don't bring back memories. I was only 6 or 7 when that happened. I'm not so sure.
You will die here. Fast.
You
Ow.
guys need to make sure you hit a part this time.
That was fast.
No! Why? You!
Get out of my way, Quinn.
Leave us alone, B-Man! Just leave me with him.
I said move!
Huh? No! This is all your fault! You hounded him for years, beat him to a pulp, and for what? Why are you so mean?
You fell for the old big Joker gang, Batman.
Batter up!
Sorry, that was my controller.
Sounds like the detective will be busy with the Joker for a while. Good. Gives this kitten some time to play. So what next? Help tall, brooding, and handsome? Or help myself do all the loot Professor Strange has locked up in that vault of his? I know. Difficult choice, right? What will it be? Find Croc and have him rip a hole into the vault? Ask Penguin for some explosives? Not my style. I always prefer a woman's touch in these situations. Stay where you are, Ivy. I'm coming to get you.
Okay. Let's go.
I need to get my kit from my apartment. No way I can face Ivy without my things. I'd be naked without them.
Thanks for the description.
Yep.
We really didn't need to know that.
Look, we've been through this.
Okay, hurry up and get up. Running my ass off. This is the one thing I hate about Catwoman is like the time events. Okay, Flug's there.
Well, how are we supposed to find out where she lives anyway?
Two-Face said she lives somewhere near here.
So what?
Catwoman's here!
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. I strike fear in the eyes of my enemies. Peekaboo.
I see you two scared.
Arkham City is patrolled
Yes.
by operatives. Do not approach the wall. Failure to comply will be met.
It's good to be home.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Okay, Selena, time to find Ivy. Let's hope she's forgiven me.
R1 and
Of course
X.
she has. She wouldn't hold a grudge.
Some people do. Don't say that. Yeah, I hate these time events so much. Oh, there are a bunch of thugs over there. Perfect, sweet. I don't actually kind of don't care right now.
He has to be.
Oh, that was close.
Well, what do we have here? Weird out-of-place plants, check. Mindless hypnotized henchmen, check. The oh-so-subtle odor of rotting pumpkins, check. Looks like I found the entrance to Ivy's lair.
Okay. Got one thug. Out of how many? 3. Got it. Got the other one. That was simple. When I get into Ivy's lair, I will cut the video, so it's not going to take long.
The containment wall surrounding
Oh, no! I want the. Give me the trophy. Give me the trophy. Give me the trophy. Oh my gosh! Just give me the goddamn trophy, please. Thank you. Now you can go. Okay, so far so good. Well, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more, comment down below and hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, well, if you're new to the channel and like you enjoy my content and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and hit the bell and you'd receive all notifications for me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you Spartans in the next video. Bye.